Welcome everybody. I'm Claudia.
And I'm Tony.
And I'm Jordan.
Thank you so much for opening the video. So we're real estate agents in Jamaica. I'm driving on a lonely part of Jamaica here now, but at least the road good. I'm heading to the toll plaza. I'm in Spanish Town, so I'm using the toll to get back into St. Andrew. But ladies and gentlemen, I have some exciting news I want to share with you today. So we got this email from a company called EduCom. Well, Tony was the one who opened the email. I should nearly drop off our seat. I said, Tony, what is going on with you? What is this?
EduCom giving house deposits.
Did you say house deposits?
Yes.
You mean I'm giving away the money? What's going on?
Well, you can get a loan now, a small loan for your deposit for your house.
I'm at the toll plaza, everybody. So I need to pay the lady $190 to get through the toll. So this is the, what's this toll called again? Spanish Town toll. Right. Highway 2000. Thank you. Alright, so Todian, you're saying that EduCom is giving money for deposit?
Right, for the loan, for the house.
Okay, them giving away the money or them lending the money?
It's a loan.
It's a loan, ladies and gentlemen. But that's good, because a lot of persons don't have the deposit, right?
Most persons don't have the
deposit, right? I mean, you're calling that you want to buy Belly because you want to buy this, you want to buy that. But Miss Davis, I don't have the deposits, you know? I have to be hunting deposits. But guess what? EduCom just come on board and make it simple. So what did the email say, Tony?
They said this is a joint effort with NHT, and for NHT contributors who at least 1 year contribution earning $182,000 monthly gross can qualify for this loan.
Oh, I hear you. So if you're broke and have no money,
yes, you're experiencing annum.
Right. You need to be on Miss Davis channel so that you can get the opportunities, guys.
Right. Because if you qualify for your 6.5 and your husband or your wife qualify for the 6.5 and you come in together, but all that's troubling you is this deposit money, then you can come together, call EduCom and qualify for this.
Alright. So why don't we call the EduCom people right now and just let them tell the people?
We should.
Yeah, because you sound like you're fumble. Let us call the EduCom lady and talk to the people. She can talk to the people and she's going to tell you what this loan is all about. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to call the EduCom right now so that you can hear it live from the horse's mouth.
Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon, is this Topaz Johnson?
Yes, it is.
Hi, from EduCom, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
I want to make sure the viewers know that is you, So, everybody, Topaz, through EduCom is going to tell you all about the special offer that you can use to purchase your house. So, go ahead,
Okay.
Topaz, tell them.
Certainly. Thank you, Ms. Davidson, for having me. All right, so EduCom Co-operative Credit Union, we offer the EduHome Loan, which is in conjunction with the National Housing Trust. Now, the EduHome Loan is designed to assist persons in the low income level to access assistance in purchasing homes. What the NHT discovered is that many of their contributors, they are able to pay their mortgage. However, they have a challenge with coming up with the deposits or the legal fees that can tend to be a bit costly at times. Persons aren't able to come up with that big lump sum of cash at one go.
Okay.
So they find that persons are turning down the mortgage offers because they can't find the cash. And if they were to borrow from elsewhere unsecured, the interest rate tends to be pretty high. So they have designed the EduHome Loan wherein those contributors can come to their credit unions. EduCom is one of the credit unions that the NHT has partnered with, access up to a maximum of $850,000 at a low interest rate. We
Oh,
offer two rates to contributors. Contributors can borrow the loan secured, meaning that you put up some form of collateral, such as a motor vehicle, at 6% per annum, reduced in balance. And if you don't have any collateral, the unsecured rate is 9% per annum on the reduced in balance. So still a very low rate.
okay, got you. Can two contributors access the 850? You said 850
Yes, 850,000 per person.
per person. So two persons
Yes,
can get it together and
yes,
get
they can. Once
1.7.
they qualify, yes.
Oh,
Yes, they can. Once they
qualify.
qualify.
Okay, so if your salary can carry the 6.5 plus the 850 loan, then you can get it to use as
Absolutely.
part of
Right.
your
So what
deposit.
we do an assessment. So the NHD will refer persons to us
Mm-hmm.
when they visit their branch,
Mm-hmm.
and they would either call us, we would ask them to come in and take in their payslips so that we can do an assessment. Then usually you'll have to get an eligibility letter from the housing trust. That letter will tell us at the credit union how much a person is qualified to access from the trust and what their monthly payment would be for their mortgage. So we factor that into what the monthly payment would be for the 850,000 to see if this person's salary can manage both loans. Because at some point, both loans will run concurrently.
Concurrently, I see. I get you. So you want the so the persons should go to NHT first
Yes, that's
and
correct.
get the
Because
eligibility letter.
right, yes, we need that.
All
And we
right.
would not be able to do a calculation for them in terms of assessing affordability until they go to the trust first.
All right. And ladies and gentlemen, you don't really need to go to the trust physically again. You can email them at wecare@nht.gov.jm. Email them and send them the documents, your payslip, job letter, TRN, NIS, and your ID, and ask them for the eligibility letter. And then you're going to take it to Topaz at EduCom. So you have an email address where they can email this info to you as well?
Yes, they can. They can send it to TL Johnson, that's T as in Tom, L as in Larry Johnson, at educomcoop.com.
Okay, excellent. So when you email Miss Johnson, tell her that you hear it from Miss Claudia Davis so that she will know and give you good service. Although, Miss Johnson, I know you give good service all the time, right?
Every time. It doesn't matter who sends you. Always excellent service here at EduCom. And I'll also give them our number. Our direct line to the Montego Bay branch is 979-6710. That's 979-6710, straight to our Montego Bay branch. And they can also make queries over the telephone.
Okay, and they don't have to be buying anything in Montego Bay. It can be anywhere on the island, ladies and gentlemen.
That's correct. We have 9 branches.
Oh,
3 in Kingston, 4 in St. Catherine, 1 in Mobay, and 1 in Mandeville. So this offer is available at any of our locations.
one big and broad, man.
Yes, we are. They just need to go on the website, Google EduCom. You'll see our website and you'll see all our offerings, including the EduHome Loan.
Okay, excellent. So, ladies and gentlemen, you don't have any excuse now, see them giving you deposit, plus NHT will give you your loan. Nothing is to stop you from buying your house now, right?
Exactly.
All right. So thank you so much, Miss Johnson. And you know
You're
that
welcome, Ms. Davis.
I will call you upon you because I want my people, my viewers, my subscribers to buy their homes.
Yes, indeed. And we want them to own their own home, of course.
Right.
An investment.
Yes.
And something to pass on to the next generation.
Right. And something to shelter you too. You forget about that?
Yes. Indeed.
All right. So thank you so much again.
You're welcome. Take care.
Take care. Bye-bye. So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. NHT and EduCom to the rescue. So Tony, should anybody not own a home?
No, not when you can get the deposit and you already have the NHD benefit. What's stopping you? Just finding a home.
And we have the homes.
Right.
So what's stopping you then is you. You're the one who's afraid to make the call, send the email. Oh, and I should tell you, go into the description below. We have put the email address for Topaz Johnson in the description below, and you can just click it, send her an email right away so that she can tell you what you need and you work with her and come back to us. Boom, we have a house for you.
Right. And all you need to send her, I think, is their ID, their NHT eligibility letter, and their payslip.
Right. And she can tell you right away if you will get this loan.
The additional 850,000.
Right. And they're giving it for so many things. You know, when I was buying my first home, I never had all these things to use, you know.
You had to come up with every
I had to come up with my deposit. People them drop escalation, I had to go find that too. I had to find my closing cost. You know, I had to sell some of my furniture to complete.
And there was
my
nobody
house.
like Miss Davis to put it right in front of you.
But yeah. I mean, I'm putting it right in front of you, ladies and gentlemen. So what is stopping you, really? I mean, what more you want? What more could they want, Tonya? Tell me something else. You have deposit. You have the closing cost money now. Miss Davis have the house to sell you. NHT giving you a loan.
You need to give them the will. The will to buy a house, Miss Davis. The will.
The will. Well, my will was that my father did throw me out of our house. So my will is that nobody else was going to throw me out of a house.
That was your will.
That was
That
my
was a
will.
powerful will.
Yeah, and I walked down Middlesbrough Avenue that day with my Dulcimina grip. It was a Dulcimina grip, it was my knapsack. And I remember thinking to myself, well, Claudia, nobody not going to throw me out of the house.
How old were you, Mommy?
I was crying, I was 15. But I was strong. Remember my mother had left me when I was 11, 12. So I was basically fending on my own already. I was a smart kid too, if I must say so. Still smart. So I'm a smart child, grew up into a smart woman. You know?
Strong too.
Strong, yeah. But that is from training myself to be strong though. Strength don't just come like that, you know. Something where you have to train yourself from even the adversities, things going on around you. You kind of develop the willpower and the strength to move beyond it, to not let it bulldoze you over, so to speak.
Can you be strong without adversity?
Adversity?
Yeah, adversity.
Put it this way, the adversity is what tests your strength. Yeah, that is a test. So you will say to yourself, you know, I'm strong. Yeah, man, I'm strong. But when the hurricane blows and it's right there in front of you, it's coming towards you, that is when you get the true test now. How strong you are, you know, to withstand the forces of this hurricane, the hurricanes of life. And in life, there are lots of hurricanes going to blow your way. Holy. So, I had to buy a house. I had to buy it early too. Because nobody else was going to throw me out of the house. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm on the Mandela Highway. Beautiful road. Opened last year. We're in 2020 now. It was opened last year. As a matter of fact, they're doing a gas station now to my right. I've seen this road develop so many times. We used to drive this Tony in the VW Bug, remember?
I remember.
And this, when the rain falls and down 6 mile flood out, man, you can't reach work. Hours on this road to get to work. Bottleneck. Look on the road now. Just look at it now.
It seemed longer back then.
It would have been longer. No, I'm not even shutting it. When I shut it like them people there. Just a comfortable drive. 3 lanes on the left, 3 on the right. I remember when they were doing it. I looked forward to it and I looked forward to driving on it. And whenever I have to come on this road, I feel a sense of accomplishment.
And relief, right?
Yes.
I feel
yes. I feel a sense of accomplishment that I work, I pay the government my taxes, and they have given me back a reward. You know, I couldn't tell last I fix a front end for my car. Seriously, you used to have to fix controller. What the rest of some of them name try that? Ball chai. Controller, upper control, lower control, all kind of something now.
Not to mention the wheel bearings.
The wheel bearings there. Yeah. I haven't had to fix that in a long time, ladies and gentlemen, because this is Jamaica. We have done a lot of road improvements right throughout, and it's not just the main roads, in the schemes as well. You know, I went into was it Ensom I went into the other day, and the schemes were really well done. Ladies and gentlemen, you hear that you can get the deposit. EduCom and NHT, they have come through for you. So I want you to pick up the phone, call. My number is 876-292-6776. EduCom numbers are on the screen. Go into the description below. Go to the website. If you're not getting an answer from nobody, keep going. Keep going until you get somebody.
EduCom has 9 branches. You must get
9.
somebody.
You must get somebody. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, I just came through 6 Mile Bridge. I'm approaching Doheny Park on my left. But I want to thank you so much for staying with us on this journey. And remember, be great to yourself and buy real estate.
Bye, guys.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.